Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this new vocabulary lesson. Today's lesson is about vocabulary in Unit 12, Level C. Let's get started.
Let's begin with word 1. It's abdicate. Abdicate. Abdicate is a verb meaning to resign or to disown. In 1399, Richard II was forced to abdicate the crown of England. Or, a powerful executive rarely chooses to abdicate the rights and privileges of his or her job. Let's try the second word in Unit 12. It is bestow. Bestow. Bestow is a verb meaning to give as a gift or to provide with lodgings. A wealthy art collector may bestow her or his collection on a museum. Also, Hamlet instructs Polonius to see that the traveling players are well bestowed in the castle of Elsinore. The third word is capacious. Capacious. Capacious is an adjective meaning able to hold much or roomy. The closets in your house may be capacious. Or, you may possess a capacious imagination. Let's move on to the next word. It is caustic. Caustic. Caustic is an adjective meaning able to burn by chemical action, or biting or sarcastic. Lye is a caustic chemical that should never be allowed to come in contact with skin. Or, criticism of a new film may be caustic. Our fifth word is crusade. Crusade. Crusade functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a noun, meaning a strong movement to advance a cause or idea. Elizabeth Cady Stanton was a leader in the crusade for a woman's right to vote. Crusade can also be used as a verb, meaning to campaign for. During the 19th century, temperance societies crusaded vigorously to outlaw alcohol. Word 6 is deface. Deface. Deface is a verb that has several meanings, including to injure or destroy the surface or appearance of, to damage the value or effect of, or to outshine. Vandals may deface public property, or a careless child might accidentally deface the cover of a book. Our next word is embargo. Embargo. Embargo functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a noun, meaning an order forbidding trade in or movement of commercial goods, or any restraint or hindrance. The 1974 embargo on petroleum shipments from the Middle East caused fuel shortages in the United States. Or, embargo can be used as a verb that means to forbid to enter or leave port, or to forbid trade with. The president may decide to embargo goods from countries that exploit child labor. Let's move on to word 8. It is fallacy. Fallacy. Fallacy is a noun, meaning a false notion or belief, or an error in thinking. A clever defense attorney may detect a fallacy in the prosecution's case. Or, fallacies in logic will lessen the impact of any argument. Next up is levity. Levity. Levity is a noun that means either a lack of seriousness about something that should be treated with respect, or buoyancy. Sometimes a little harmless levity can help get a person through a long and difficult ordeal. Or, hydrogen rises in the air because of its natural levity. Word 10 is mendicant. Mendicant. Mendicant functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a noun that means a beggar. St. Francis of Assisi intentionally chose to lead the life of a mendicant. Mendicant can also be used as an adjective, meaning depending on begging for a living. Calcutta, India is known for its large mendicant population. Our next word is nauseate. Nauseate. Nauseate is a verb meaning to make sick to the stomach or to fill with disgust. Something you ate for dinner may nauseate you. Or, you may be nauseated by an acquaintance's rude and offensive behavior at a party. Word 12 is negate. Negate. Negate is a verb meaning to nullify or bring to nothing. New findings or information often negate old hypotheses. Or, a single setback need not negate a lifetime of achievement and success. Next up is pivotal. Pivotal. Pivotal is an adjective meaning vitally important or essential. Preventive medicine plays a pivotal role in the care of the elderly. Or, someone may be a pivotal witness in the prosecution's case against a defendant. Word 14 is recipient. Recipient. Recipient functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a noun, meaning one who receives. This year, an American scientist may be the recipient of the Nobel Prize in Physics. Or, recipient can be used as an adjective that means receiving, or able or willing to receive. Representatives of the recipient nations publicly thanked the U.S. government for its aid. Our next word is ruse. Ruse. Ruse is a noun, meaning an action designed to confuse, or a trick. A common ruse of a thief seeking to enter a home is to pose as a meter reader. Or, claiming that the dog ate your homework is an old ruse. Word 16 is teem. Teem. Teem is a verb meaning to become filled to overflowing, or to be present in large quantities. The shelves of a bakery may teem with delicious-looking treats. Or, a beekeeper's hives may teem with insects. Next up is tenet. Tenet. Tenet is a noun that means an opinion, belief, or principle held to be true. In an economics course, you may study the basic tenets of a free enterprise system. And freedom of religion is one of the most cherished tenets of our nation. Word 18 is tractable. Tractable. Tractable is an adjective meaning easily managed or easily wrought. A mule is not necessarily the most tractable of animals. Or, certain types of clay are more tractable than others. Word 19 is ungainly. Ungainly. Ungainly is an adjective meaning clumsy, awkward, or unwieldy. During adolescence, many youngsters are painfully shy and ungainly. Or, movers may struggle to get an ungainly sofa up a narrow staircase. The last word in Unit 12 is voracious. Voracious. Voracious is an adjective meaning ravenous or excessively eager. Sharks are traditionally the most voracious of sea creatures. Or, Roman tax collectors were reputed to be voracious.
Now let's go over the pronunciation of the words in Unit 12. They are pronounced like abdicate, bestow, capacious, caustic, crusade, defaced, embargo, fallacy, levity, mendicant, nauseate, negate, pivotal, recipient, ruse, team, tenet, tractable, ungainly, voracious. And here we come to the end of this lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.